This, everybody, is my retro and gaming area. Some people like to call it the 70s room, but I like to think of it as a 70s, 80s spot. Just a general all-around fun place. And over here we've got my VIC-20, which also has, well, we also have a C64. It's not hooked up right now, but we have it. On top of the C64 monitor, we have a Roku for the television right beside it. Of course, our own vintage phone line. And an actual bottle of Pepsi, unopened, from 1977. And the proof of that is that the bottle has no pressure in it. And it says, "Take the Pepsi challenge." And of course I have the VIC-20 or Commodore 64 hooked up to the stereo system, which is what I listen to my music on. And I like to come down here once in a while to get away from it all.